So hello namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika and today in this video we'll be doing a project overview of VJ Central Avenue, which is located near Yashwant Nagar, Kharadi, Pune and developed by Vilas Javadekar Developers. So today in this video we'll be discussing about below points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet areas, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before getting into the project details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly by the developer and give you the bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So, book your dream home directly by the developer through Housey. So, let's start with the project overview with the help of 3D model. Vijay Kharadi Central Avenue will be constructed on 3 acres of land parcel consisting of 2 towers having top-class facilities and amenities on 1st and 23rd floor with 3 basement plus ground level parking plus 22 floors. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के सराउंडिंग और कनेक्टिविटी की। अब मेरे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में देख सकते हैं इनका सेल्स ऑफिस, राइट बिहाइंड आप देख सकते हैं इनका लैंड पार्सल। तो कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट, प्रोजेक्ट इज लोकेटेड नियर यशवंत नगर, खराड़ी, पुणे। आपको कनेक्टिविटी मिल जाती है लैंड पार्सल से रेडिसन ब्लू होटल विद इन 1 किलोमीटर, रिलायंस स्मार्ट विद इन 1 किलोमीटर ऑल्सो, नगर हाईवे विद इन 1.9 किलोमीटर। So now coming to the amenities part, project has 30 plus luxurious amenities like gym, clubhouse, luxurious entrance lobby, multi-purpose court, business hubs and many more. Coming to the carpet area, VJ Central Avenue has premium commercial office spaces at Central Kharadi, Pune. Most sought after business hub with one arcade starting from 240 to 310 square feet. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं बुकिंग प्रोसेस की। Our token window is opening on 6th of September, so secure your slots on the early notes. Don't miss the golden investment opportunity at the heart of Kharadi, Pune. Clients can come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain the complete project with the details along with the 3D model, actual location tour and with the pricing and payment schemes also. And if clients like the project, we can continue with the token process also. So everyone, this was the project overview of VJ Central Avenue, which is located near Yashwant Nagar, Kharadi, Pune and developed by Vilas Javadekar Developers.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.